This video is going to be a little bit different from my other videos in that it's basically a rant and a public service announcement. And I think it's important enough to share it with y'all and tell you more about it, and maybe you can help fix the problem also. And this was at my campsite at East Lake State Park, and when I was doing the video showing you what I'm going to show you in just a second, it was getting dark, so I apologize for the lighting in that video. It's getting kind of dark now, but I hear stuff up in this tree. You hear the clicking? What is that? I found something that some of y'all may not know about. And I'm actually very surprised to see this here. Y'all know what tree this is? Get up close. The little berries. See it? You see the leaves. This is a Chinese tallow tree. And I'm very shocked that this is here because it should be cut down. And they need to get rid of every single remnant of it. They are an invasive species and they are kind of taking over little areas of native trees, and birds spread them through the seeds, and they're not good to have around because they displace native species. And you may ask, so what? Why is it important that we not displace native species? I know, I'm putting my professor hat again on. School has started. Well, there's some trumpet vine flowers. The reason why it's important to get rid of these, and the reason why it's so devastating that they displace other native species, is they, make root, spread around, and they choke out native species. Like, and this plate, like this big, huge oak tree. That was a squirrel, by the way. I saw him. They're already starting to eat the acorns. So this chokes out what should be here, like a pecan or black walnut, something along a river or lake, and you have this, and it does nothing. They have beautiful fall color, but Houston has a huge problem with these. I'm really shocked to see this one here. I'm going to talk to the ranger about it. Yeah, they need to get rid of these. Bad news. It might be too dark to show this. The little berries. Yikes. Get rid of these, people. If you see these in your yard, cut them down, get rid of them. Dang it, look, there's another Chinese tallow. Dang it. Hard to get rid of them. Shoot. Okay, I did a little bit more research and I want to show y'all this. This is crazy. Not only do they crowd out other species, look at this. It says it can replace an entire stand of native trees in as little as 10 years. That's crazy. It changes the soil chemistry. The water quality is changed. The leaf litter is dangerous to semi-aquatic species like frogs. It changes wetland habitats. It's toxic to humans and cattle, which, okay. This is crazy. Look, it was introduced to dry up the swamps in Florida. Wow. Get rid of these things, y'all. Okay, I found one more thing, and then I'll let y'all go because I don't want y'all to think I'm too crazy. But look at this. This is in Mississippi. They actually have, they call it a popcorn tree, and they actually have helpstopthepop.com. It's a campaign to stop these trees. But I want to show you something down toward the bottom, and you can pause it to read it. It talks about how you can get rid of them, cut down with a chainsaw, and then you put this stuff on top, which is basically stump killer, vine killer, and then it says it might need to be reapplied. And look, dispose of them with heavy garbage bags so they do not spread, monitor for seedlings and continue control. That's crazy. See? Y'all probably thought, oh my God, Jennifer's lost her mind out there talking about these trees. But look at this. You can pause this and read this. Get rid of these trees.
Yee.
Okay, quick update. I did contact Texas Parks and Wildlife. I emailed one of the wildlife biologists, and then he sent me to another wildlife biologist who's in the area, and then she sent me back to the person at Inks Lake. She CC'd my email, and he responded. It was very nice and said they have been using the slash, what do they call it? Hack and spray method lately, and they were not able to do it last year. And I thought, oh, that big tree's been there a long time, so I don't know how they missed that one. But anyway, he said that he would let me know when they get enough volunteers together and get the resources. They're on it. He's very aware of it, and he would let me know. So hopefully this gets done sooner than later, and I just want to let y'all know about that. And also to tell you that if you see these trees, get rid of them. And one thing that's really very bothersome is I think they actually sell these in nurseries, which is horrible. Anyway, that was my rant. That's my soapbox. Get rid of invasive species. Talk to y'all later.